What's up, strikers? So in today's video, I am going to tell you how you can complete this free gold and AK47 skin event in Bloodstrike. This method is the easiest way to complete this event, and it works 100%. So if it does not work for you, that means you are doing a step wrong. So watch the video carefully from start to end, so you do not miss any step. Without wasting any time, let's get right into it. And guys, before we move on, if you want to top up Bloodstrike Gold for a cheaper price, you should definitely check out Wingstore. It offers the cheapest prices on the market so you can get your gold without spending extra. And the best part is that Wingstore is available in many countries, so no matter where you are, you can top up quickly and safely. Plus, every purchase gives you wing points, which you can redeem later for free top-ups. So what are you waiting for? Top up now using Wingstore. The link is in the description and the pinned comment. First, open Bloodstrike and copy your invite link. Then, paste it into Notepad, WhatsApp, or any other app of your choice. Now, open the Google Play Store and download the Clone Master Multi-Dual Space app. After downloading the app, open it and give all the required permissions. Now, click on the plus button on the bottom right corner and add Google Chrome and Bloodstrike. After adding both apps, go to the app where you pasted your invite link and then copy only the link, not the other part. This is where most people make a mistake. You only have to copy the link part, not anything else. Otherwise, it will not work. After copying the link, go to the Clone Master app, then open Google Chrome and paste the link. Click on the Claim Rewards button, and Bloodstrike will be launched. Once the game opens, create a guest account and choose the same server as your main Bloodstrike account. You can create unlimited guest accounts using this app. After creating the account, Bloodstrike will take you to the training ground. Once you are there, 3 options will appear. Choose the I've played Bloodstrike option. Then it will redirect you to the lobby. Once you reach the lobby, a pop-up will appear. Just ignore it and click OK. Now you have to level up your account to level 3, because reaching level 3 is necessary for this process. If you do not reach level 3, your invite link will not be activated and it will fail. But don't worry, because I am telling you the easiest and fastest way to reach level 3. First, download the Shutter Island and Logistics Center maps. Once the maps are downloaded, start a Weapon Master match and play 1 round. Whether you win or lose, then quit the match. Your account will be leveled up to level 2. But hear me out. If you play another Weapon Master match, it will not level up your account to level 3, because it only works up to level 2. So, what you are going to do is, start a squad match in BR and choose only the Shutter Island map, because it ends faster and you will win it easily, because everyone in the match is a bot. And if you are thinking that you can level up by playing any other mode like Squad Fight or Hot Zone, let me tell you, it will take 3 to 4 squad fight matches and 6 to 7 hot zone matches to level up, and it will take a lot of time. That is why I am telling you to play a BR match, because it will level up your account from level 2 to level 3 in just a single match. After completing the BR match, your account will be leveled up to level 3. Now, you are done. Close the Clone Master app and open Bloodstrike and your main account, and boom, your first invite link will be activated. Now, repeat these steps as many times as you want to complete the remaining invite links and unlock the AK47 skin and free gold. And hey, this is the most important step. If you miss this, you cannot create unlimited guest accounts using the app. So, what you are going to do is, every time before completing another link and repeating the steps, clear the data or uninstall and then reinstall the app. This step is very important, so do not miss it. That is it for today's video. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe for more Bloodstrike content. If you have any questions related to the tutorial, feel free to ask in the comments. I reply to every single one, and I will see you in the next one.